Long before the word swoop was in the UNF vernacular, in the 80s, Becky Purser arrives on this campus with some PE teaching experience. She was a runner, she loved sailing sailboats. She was hired to create a recreation department, was given a little building next to a field and checked out frisbees, tennis rackets, and softballs, and that was it. She sought funding from student government to get the first fitness equipment, and it was called the Osprey Fitness Center. Same time period, Dottie Dorian is heavily involved in helping shape a budding athletics program. It was Becky and me chatting with former SG President John Barnes in his morning workouts. Those chats turned a $4.5 million idea of an addition onto a 40-year-old building into a $20 million all-new facility. It took a few years, but a problem of an overcrowded, small, but mighty fitness center was solved while exercising, sweating, and just talking.
What a great overview of the history. Your leadership is making a difference. It is contagious. This is a major attraction, not just to help us keep our students healthy here, but we attract the best and the brightest and help us fulfill that dream of ours to make UNF the destination of choice.
Intentionally, we built for the future. We built for an enrollment of 27,000 plus. Built it the first time, and we got it right.